my channel, and in this video we will be moving on with the next topic, that is our nucleus. Very simple, right? So let me write down the heading. We will be moving on with the next topic in this chapter, that is the nucleus. Okay, so it is known as the brain of the cell. It is known as the brain of the cell. Why, beta? Because it stores all the important information. Because it stores all the important information. Okay, because it stores all the important information, right? Like in your body, your brain is helping in storing all the important information. In the similar manner, beta, each cell has its own brain. What is that? Nucleus. Why? Because it stores all the important information inside it, right? All the hereditary material is present inside it. All the hereditary material is present inside it, right? All the hereditary material. What is that? Beta, DNA plus protein. That leads to the formation of chromosome. Like what happens, I am drawing a figure here. For example, this is the plasma membrane. This is the nucleus. Okay, imagine this is the nucleus. Okay, now inside the nucleus, beta, there is nucleolus. Okay, I am drawing it here. First point is that beta, nucleus is not single membrane, it is double membrane. Nucleus is having a double membrane, and that is known as the nuclear membrane. It is known as nuclear membrane. Okay, so this nuclear membrane, beta, it is like this. It is a double layer. It is a double layer. Okay, so these holes, beta, which you can see in between, what are these? These are pores. Okay, so nucleus, the double membrane, that is a nuclear membrane, it has pores. These are known as the nuclear pores. Nuclear pores, beta, what are they helping in? They are helping in the entry and exit of certain substances from inside the nucleus to the outside. Okay, or from inside to the from the outside to the inside of the nucleus. Okay, so these pores are mainly acting as pathways. Okay, these are acting as pathways. From inside to outside, any material which needs to be transferred is transferred through this. So just like in the cell, beta, these dotted structures I told you, what are these? These are cytoplasm. In the similar manner, inside the nucleus also there are dotted structures, beta. They are known as nucleoplasm. It is known as nucleoplasm. It is known as nucleoplasm. So till now, what have I told you? It is known as the brain of the cell. It is storing all the important information. It is having DNA plus protein, which leads to the formation of chromosome. The nucleus is present inside the cell. It has a two-layered membrane, which is known as the nuclear membrane, and nuclear membrane has small pores. These pores, beta, these pores are known as what? The nuclear pore. Now inside the nucleus there are tiny dotted structures also, which are known as nucleoplasm. Just like cell had cytoplasm, nucleus has nucleoplasm. Okay, then nucleus has beta chromosome. Like, let me draw a flow chart for you. Cell के अंदर क्या होता है बेटा? Nucleus. So nucleus has chromosome. Okay, nucleus has chromosome. Inside the chromosome it has DNA plus protein. So DNA is what, beta? Known as the hereditary material, right? The information which needs to be passed from your ancestors to you, right? From your parents to your offspring. The information which is being transferred is being with the help of this DNA. Okay? So this DNA, beta, now DNA में भी कुछ functional parts होते हैं, which are known as genes. They are known as genes. Okay, but in some cases chromosomes are rod-like structure. These rod-like structures which are seen inside the cell. But this is seen only when the cell is about to divide. Cell division takes place, only then chromosome is visible. When the cell is not dividing, beta, chromatin is visible. Chromatin. What is chromatin? Chromatin is a entangled mass of thread, okay, which you see. Entangled mass of thread which you see inside the cell when the cell is not dividing. But as soon as the cell starts dividing, beta, this chromatin is converted to rod-shaped structures called as chromosomes. Fine. So these chromosomes, they are made up of DNA and protein, beta. Okay. Fine. This is all very, very important. Make sure you are labeling each and everything, marking each and everything very carefully, right? Chromosome is always storing everything, right? So now every detail of the body. So nucleus is also making beta RNA and protein, right? And it is the control center of the cell. Brain of the cell ke slash lage do, control center of the cell. Control center of cell. Okay, so this is just about nucleus. In the next video, we will be moving forward with the next organelles in a bit of detail. Okay, so do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, beta, and click the bell icon, right, so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. And share this video amongst your friends as much as possible, because this is very helpful. You are not in need of any tuitions. Every day I am getting you new videos, latest about the topics which are in your NCERT. Right? So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like all my videos, beta, and share it with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.